Yeah. Great things in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. And I see it. Rastafari. But I just feel like it's a fitting tribute from brother and sister them on the tar, on the rock, the sunshine. Get a little synopsis, a little view of what go on. Or how better roses look. That's what I say. And the thing I go hard like this. And it didn't even go hard neither, I wanted to say come like a drizzle. You see it? Like it all out for stop or something like that. What them places are when I see some people that Maglan I said them you know? Them thing where the people and boy ask you, these good chance of them get. Why would you come here? You see, not like them not know say. For them economy better and them have more opportunity, But still, them the business, Them just don't say. Them would have stay for them Jamaica, the sun. And do what them do and build and go from there. So. But still, the benefit and the development, the benefit to Jamaican is not a priority to the powers that be. So may I say, the development of Jamaica is not a priority or even a thought process for the powers that be. Because you see at the end of the day, I'm going to state this clearly, this is facts. At the end of the day, I wonder if right now, if RAHEEM Sterling get caught with an ounce of coke, then raw coke. See, now you're not distributing farm like all together. Sealed up in a package, in a one packaging. Not like he's gonna distribute, but like he's gonna use it for a party, which he planned to host, at some point in the future or whenever. Or maybe just in preparation for in the event that such an occasion should arise. The reason why I speak about it with such basic way that make it sound like acceptance is because when you got people like the Prime Minister admits that him dabble in a coke for a little while, see it. But on the other hand, when they talk about Jamaicans, when him and him Home Secretary talk about Jamaican getting caught with a small amount of the substance. In that regards, there is no dabbling. You understand what I say? So I wonder if no RAHEEM Sterling, who I not call on no destruction and no judgment from the youth, because he don't know the youth our general see him, I respect him and love him. See, and I be a line in our head I am in case of any attempt at judgment or destruction, nefariously. See, regardless, lightning and thunder. See. So one, if other youth like that now get caught dabbling, if you now deport him, come back to Jamaica. See it. See it. If you now go refuse him and him service or deny him of the right, deny him of the credits due to people where perform at them level see. Them thing them want Jamaica start looking into and research, It's when it come to the law, human rights, and justice process. It's not equally applied across the board to Jamaican like anybody else. You see, right now, you have organizations, institutions, entities in Great Britain trying to get like the immigration services then. We call them the Home Office. But for lack of understanding, I'm just gonna say the immigration service. Right now you have some bodies that try to get the immigration service to publish the deportation by nationality, by race, and things like that. You understand what I'm saying? And the immigration service don't want to do it. Just owing to the fact that they know the question that the people are asking on the back of the Windrush, the buckle, seeing the immigration, the public wants to know if it's a racial thing or it's a targeted thing at Jamaicans. And that's, to me, it's a no-brainer. You understand me? That's a no-brainer. I've seen Jamaican being removed from this country like no other nationality. See it. You have a place in Wolverhampton named Stavely Road. One day I'm gonna do a video from there. It was bare Jamaican. It was like a local place for Jamaican hang out. Most of Jamaican live there and things like that. When you look at it now, it's bare Iraqis. You understand me? And you see the allegations that they used against Jamaicans for wanting to remove them from the city persona non grata type of attitude and mentality towards the Jamaicans who live and hang out there. See, and brought in pure Iraqi immigrants. Not that I am opposing immigration or immigrants or anything like that. I'm just saying they replace the Jamaicans with Iraqis who are prominently and openly doing the same things that they accuse Jamaicans of. And they are doing this without challenge. They are doing this like, you know what I'm saying? Like there's no tomorrow. You get what I'm saying? During the time when Jamaicans were so-called there, you had police posts and sign and spot. You have signs and posts, notifications every morning with new directives, what's allowed from what, and things like that. You understand me? Right now you go there and you look, you see some people who hate Britain with less reason to do so than any Jamaican, But they hate Britain more than any Jamaican, doing worse things and treating local people with less integrity. You see it. Still, you hear nothing of it. And still to this day, only human rights cry out there in regards to foreign national is about Jamaicans. You understand me? I'm telling you, there's a personal vendetta against Jamaican when it comes to the Tory government. See it. And I say nothing less until they prove me wrong and prove themselves with some level of decorum, morality, integrity, and humanity without racial prejudice and national prejudice. You get me? It's every human being's right, regardless of nationality, regardless. You get me? To be yourself without suppression from any entity, especially government entity of such. See it? Yeah, more bless. Share, like, and subscribe.